morning, children. So yesterday we have seen beta how to find the HCF and LCM. Now let us see the relationship between HCF and HCF. So what is the relationship between HCF and LCM? The product of any two number is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Product of two numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. So it is the relation between HCF and LCM. Means if you multiply any two number, it is equal to their product of HCF and LCM. So let's see one example better. So let us see HCF. Consider the number 24 and 36. Now consider the numbers 24 and 36. So first we will find the HCF of 24 and 36, then we will find the LCM. And if we multiply, then we will see that they equal to their product, equal to the product of their HCF and their LCM. Okay, now let's find HCF. HCF of 24 and 36. So here we will apply the long division method. Twenty-four ones are 24. 6 minus 4, 2 and 3 minus 2, 1. Now it is the remainder. Now it becomes divisor. And the first divisor becomes divisor. 12 twos are 20. And here the remainder. See, that means what is HCF? HCF is the divisor. So 12 is the HCF. So HCF of 12 and 36 is equal to 12. Now let us find LCM. So here we will apply the common long division method. Okay. LCM. LCM of 24 and 36. So we will apply common division. See beta, both are the even numbers. So 2 12s are 2 18s are. Again 2 6s are 2 9s are. 2 3s are. Okay, 9 is not the divisor of multiple of 2. So write down the number as it is. Next prime number is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 1 3 ones are. Now see, the remainder is 1. Now you have to multiply all this divisor. So LCM equals to 1 2 3. 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. Now see what is the product? What is the product of this? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 3s are 24, and 24 3s are 72. Okay, and we already find HCF equals to 12. Okay, now apply the relation. Product of the number. Product of the numbers. So what are the numbers? 24 multiplied by 36. So what is the product? See beta. 24 multiplied by 36 is what beta? It is 864. Now find product of HCF, HCF and LCM. HCF is what? 12. And LCM is 72. Okay, multiply 12 by 72. What you get? So again, 12 to the 24, 864. Now see, product of the number is 864 and product of their HCF and LCM is also 864. So here we satisfied our relation between HCF and LCM. Now see the next question, beta. Now see the next question, beta. If the HCF of 2 is 12 and the product is 2106, find the LCM. If LCM of the HCF of two numbers is 12. Okay, and their product means the product of the given two numbers. This HCF is 12. Their product is 2160. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. Now see beta, what is given? HCF is given and the product of two numbers is given and you have to find the LCM. So again we will apply the same relation between HCF and LCM. So product of numbers equal to the product of HCF and LCM. See, the product of two numbers not given, but their product is given. So here we will write 2160. And what is given, beta? HCF is given. So 12. And what to find? LCM. So write down LCM as it is. Now how to find the LCM? We will transfer this multiplied by 12 this side, so it goes on division. So 2160 divided by 12 is equal to what is left in this side? LCM. Okay, so after dividing, what you get, beta? You get 180. Okay, so you can check your number. If you multiply this 12 and 180 means HCF multiplied by LCM, you will get this number. Okay, so in this way you can solve the questions on HCF and LCM and their product. Let us see one question on this relationship, beta. Question 2. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is the LCM of two co-prime numbers is 221. If one of the number is 70, find other number. Other number. Okay. So, now tell me, beta. We must know the four things: HCF, LCM, first number, and the other number. But see the question. LCM of two co-prime number is given 221, and out of two, one number is given. It is 17. Okay, and you have to find the other number, but you don't know what is HCF. Okay, now see, one important thing is given. The numbers are co-prime, and you already learned the HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Okay, so apply the relationship and find the other number. So see, HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Now, relation is what? First number multiplied by second number. Product of two number means you can write like this also. Second number is equal to their HCF and their LCM. Now see what is given. See what is given, beta. First number multiplied by second number. So if one of the number is 70, so here we can write 70. One number is given. Write down the second number. Now see, HCF is not given. HCF is not given in the question, but what is given? The numbers are co-prime. That means what? HCF is 1. And LCM is what, beta? It is given to 21. Okay. So to find the second number, we have to move this 17 from this side. It will, when from this side, it goes on division. One multiplied by 221 or 221 means 221. No need to write 1 multiplied. Multiplied by 17. And on this side, it goes on division. Okay, now tell me what is the answer? See the answer. So second number equals to 30. So after dividing this, we will get 30. Okay. So in this way, you can get any of the number or LCM or HCF by applying this relationship. Got it, beta? Question from your practice set 14. Question number 1. Choose the right option. First, the HCF of 120 and 150 is, okay, and options are 30, second option is 45, third option is 20, and the fourth option is 1 more. Second question. The HCF of this pair of number is not 1. The HCF of this pair of number is not 1. And options are first 13 and 17, second 29 and 20, third 14 and 20, and the fourth one 14 and 15. Now see beta, you have to choose the correct answer from the given 4. So see first the HCF of 120 and 150. So you have to calculate the HCF and choose the correct answer. Now see the second one. What is beta? The HCF of this pair of number is not 1. Is not 1 means ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो co-prime नहीं है. So you have to choose. Not 1 लिखा है, 1 नहीं है. See बेटा, 13 and 17 both are the prime numbers, so their HCF is 1. 29 and 20, 29 is the prime, another is composite, so also their HCF is 1. 14 and 15, it is co-prime number. For example, see that if you find the factors of this 14 and 15, so what you get? You will find only one is the common factor between 14 and 15. So what is left? 40 and 20. See, 40 and 20 both are the composite number. 20 is the factor of 40. 40 is the multiple of 20. So they have more than 2 common factors. So their HCF is not 1. Got it, beta? Okay. So I am giving you some homework to solve. Now listen, children. These questions are from practice set 13 and it is question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Means first you have to find the HCF and LCM, then find the product of the number, and then find the product of their HCF and LCM, and see whether the product of the number is equal to the product of their HCF or not. Okay. Find HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So it is question number 2. verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. So question number 1 is 32 and 37. Question number 2, 46 and 51. Question number 3, 15 and 16. Question number 4, 18 and 63. And the fifth one is 78 and 104. Okay, this 5 questions you have to solve. Okay, you have to verify the relationship between the HCF and LCM. Got it, beta?